Well, I look like one of the enemies from Dark Souls today, but whatever.
Hey, a guy!
I wanted to take a second and talk about maintenance of the garden. So I heard someone say the other day that they would have a garden in a certain spot, but it would be too much work. And all I remember thinking was, you're already doing a lot of work in mowing and landscaping. It seems to be a common misconception that gardening and farming in general is a lot of hard labor. I think the reality is that we're already doing all that hard labor anyway with mowing and weeding, everything that comes with having a neighborhood lawn. If you just sort of replace that area of work with work that's going to come back to you, you're going to be much better off. In my opinion, once you have a permaculture garden set up and everything is ready to go, it's going to be equal to the amount of work or less than the amount of work than just basic landscaping. I'm Tyler from Homegrown Farm. Don't give up, keep growing. See you guys next time.